We are staying at the Saida Towers in South Padre Island. Our room number is 3115. We are on the 11th floor. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom place. It sleeps, I would say 8 people because you also have the hideaway couch or pull-out couch, whichever you want to call it. This is the second day, so we definitely haven't lived in here. There's Grace and Palmer having breakfast before Grace takes off for dolphin tour. That'll be a lot of fun. She's going with my brother and my sister-in-law. And so in the kitchen you have your toaster, coffee maker, blender, your stove, microwave, toaster oven, fridge, lots and storage. And then we have seating for 6 at the table here, 4 at the island. It's very pretty. We have 1 bedroom right here. This is where Grace is sleeping. It's the king bed, a large TV, dresser and a closet. You have the bathroom right beside it with the shower. No bathtubs in this place though. Then you have beautifully decorated, very beachy. I actually have quite of these decorations at home. I love the sign here. Another big TV, and of course, Bluey is on because we do have a toddler. And as you can hear her, the beanbag, little chair there, and couch. This one here is the pull-out couch here. And this place also has a lot of places to sit on their balcony. They do come with this little wagon with beach chairs and boogie boards, a beach tent, and plentiful places to sit. They also have a towel rack up there. I just noticed that now. I didn't notice that last night. And here is the view. You have 3 pools, 4 tennis courts, and the beach right there, which has been so nice to watch the sunrise in the morning. It's December 30th and it is already like 85 degrees outside. It's going to be a hot one. And then we have here another, hi Palmer. Are you saying hi? Are you gonna have a good day? Yeah. Good, that's what I like to hear. And then in here we have 2 full-size beds and another large TV, and then a view of the water again and of the property. And then you have closet, 2 sinks, and the shower, a large shower. So this is our home until tomorrow. We're just going for 2 days here, and then we will be going home on New Year's Eve. And we're gonna see what else we can do today. Again, Grace is going to do a dolphin tour, so just gonna be Palmer and I believe my parents are gonna come visit us in the next few hours, so that'll be good too. So let's see what we can get into.